Hello, this is Mr. Mullo for section 11-7, stem and leaf plots. So kind of continuing with our theme of our different graphs, how we did the bar graphs and histograms and pie charts the other day. This is just another way to display data. So it's called a stem and leaf plot. Basically, you're just organizing your data with things called the stem and the leaves. So we'll see all of our numbers are here. We're putting basically all of our 10 spots here, and all of our 1 spots here to just kind of organize the data. So we'll look at another one. So like it says right here, so the stem will be the tens place, numbers 6 through 10, and we're going to place them in order. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to have the leaves, put them on there. They should be in order, so this says just make it first and then place in order. That's kind of a waste of time, so I would just put them in order right away to start. So here's that transition. So here is it just making it, and now this is it in order. So this is what the final product should look like. So this means 63, 65, 67, 68, 71, 73, 75, and so on and so on. Here's just another example from these smaller numbers. So we'll see we have the 21. 2 and 1 make 21, 2 and 2 make 22, 2 and 3 make 23, 2 and 4 make 24, so there's all the numbers just displayed there. Like the bar graphs and the pie charts, there are some questions that we can answer. So this one, it says, what's the highest fee that was earned? So we're going to look at the biggest number. So here you can tell with this little key here that a 5 and then 3 means 53. So our biggest number there would be a 65. What was the lowest one earned? Well, you can tell that we're going to look at our smallest number. A 2 and a 1 is going to make a 21. How many times? Well, then we can just count. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 times that they babysat. And what was the difference? So our highest is 65. Our lowest is 21. A difference of $44. Okay, here's another one. So what was the greatest number of points earned for a volleyball team? Well, here's our 6, here's our 5. That would make 65. Apparently it's not there. What was the least number of points earned? 2 and a 9 make 29. That one's not there either. How many teams earned more than 50 points? Well, we have a 51, a 54, a 59, a 61, a 63, a 65. That makes 6 teams that earned more than 50 points. What was the difference between the least and the greatest? So we have 20, so 65 minus 29 is going to give us a difference of 36. How many teams played in the tournament? Again, we would just count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 16 teams played in the tournament. There's also something called a double stem and leaf plot, so a back-to-back. Okay, and this one's kind of a little weird now, but if you're comparing 2 sets, like if you want to see how 2 different teams scored, well then you can look at it this way, where this middle spot is still the 10 spot, and then these 2 outsides are still the 1. So this is going to mean 18 and 10, 19 and 11. Doesn't change anything, you're just looking at it where the middle spot is still that 10 spot. You'd only really use that if you're comparing 2 different score or 2 different things. Like with the first couple of examples, it was fine just doing it with 1. Alright, let's make our own now. So I'll have, it looks like just 1 and 2 in my 10 spot. There's nothing else. I don't see a 3. There's no 0, or there's no just 1 spot. Alright, so I see a 10, so I'm going to put a 0 there. I see a 12, so let's put a 2 there. I see 2 14s. I'll put 2 4s there. And I see a 15, a 17, and an 18. Well, that should be all my teams. Alright, and then for 20s, I see a 20. Looks like 2 22s. A 23. A 26. 27 and a 29. And that would be my stem and leaf plot for a problem like that.